Make your dinner a celebration to look forward to this holiday season. We're joined with our friend Angie from the Wisconsin Beef Council. So what do you have for us here?
Happy holidays.
Thank you
Happy
to you as
December.
well.
Feels like it's sneaking right
I know.
up on us.
This year's going by really fast.
I know. So the holidays in Wisconsin, we love beef roast. So like we love making prime rib at home, which is a beef rib or ribeye roast, but we also love tenderloins. 30% of our beef tenderloin roast sales happen this time of year.
Really?
So very popular. So, you know, maybe it's the one time a year you kind of splurge and make a nice tenderloin. So it's kind of fun to talk about every year this time. So this is a 2-pound nice center cut tenderloin.
Yeah, that looks good right there.
So, to lighten up on the stress load, call ahead to your favorite supermarket, meat market, wherever you shop. Tell them you're going to have this many people for a holiday celebration. They will help you out, get your roast. But then I took this roast and I made beef Wellington today.
I know, it smells delicious. I'm trying not to, to touch it at all.
It's
but
just fresh out of the oven, but a very elegant looking dish, not very hard to do because you use puff pastry right from the supermarket, from the frozen section. Thaw that, and then I took my 2-pound center cut tenderloin. I just sprinkled a little kosher salt and black pepper on it. Then I seared it in a nice hot skillet, kind of rolled it around, literally sear it 30 seconds aside, roll it around, get the ends, pull it out of your skillet, let it set. And then in that same skillet, I had some minced mushrooms and shallots, and just kind of soften them a couple minutes, get the liquid out of the mushrooms, add in some red wine, so dry red wine, some fresh thyme, and some Dijon mustard. So that's your mushroom mixture. Then take your puff pastry, let it thaw from the freezer, and then just roll it out a little bit bigger so it'll be big enough to wrap your roast. Brush that mushroom mixture on it, put your roast on, wrap it up, and then do a couple slits in the top, 425-degree oven, and this takes about 30 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. You can use an oven-safe meat thermometer in it or use an instant read just to check it. So this one's probably, it was 135 when I took it out of the oven about half an hour ago, and then it'll continue to cook.
So this is almost like a family-sized Hot Pocket, right?
Yes. So, you know, really 2 pounds is 8 servings. So, and at the holidays, you might have people that want a little bit bigger serving, but you're gonna have a lot of side dishes. So I would say this would feed 8 people. And then we do have a recipe for some little individual Wellingtons. So maybe if you don't want to cook the whole roast, and these just use a little fillet, so a tenderloin fillet. All the recipes, all the information, some great roasting charts that we have are on beeftips.com. Check it out, click right on the home page on Home for the Holidays, and you'll find everything you need to know to have a foolproof, stress-free holiday meal.
All right, well, sounds good. Thank you so much. That looks delicious. All right.